can you also face us? Mommy, when you see this video, this is gonna be... We're flying on a really slow ride, but I hope it's not fast.
Okay.
Get in front of us, Oma! Why did it stop?
Well, they stopped to let people on, honey. Look at this beautiful scenery here.
Take a couple of pictures.
See the jungles.
Yeah.
That's the jungle.
I stopped holding. Now I'm gonna
Jungles everywhere. At least this part.
We're on the magic chair ride.
And there are parts of the country that are all desert, pretty much.
This is my first time being
People in Mexico live in about a third of the country.
Hello, people. See, this
That's
is
the
my
country's
second time being this
desert.
high because I've been this high before. When? Well, on the swings at school, I've been this high. Not really high, not this high, but a little bit shorter than this. Oh my, we're above the tree.
Don't touch the grass down there or the leaves.
Why?
I'm just kidding, you can't.
Yeah, we're too little. You're too big,
Some
so
kind
you
of
can
river
touch.
that comes into here or outlet of some sort. See all the motorcycles down there?
Yeah, I see all the motors. I saw people and I was all the way back actually. I was like,
Probably
hi
rental or
world.
something.
Oh, I bet you can.
Oh my, I said hi
What
world.
you're doing.
I said, look at us. This is beautiful.
Probably sign a nice big wave there.
Yeah. Trying to get a picture of those motorcycles down
Hi
there.
world. Mommy. Mommy.
Okay.
Mom.
Okay, we're gonna call it good.